Scrumdiddlyocious, 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 Hey, scrumdiddlyocious, 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 scrum. Hey everybody, today I'll be showing you guys how to make stuffed chicken breasts. The ingredients you will need are cream cheese, cayenne pepper, black pepper, paprika, garlic, salt, mayonnaise, spinach, and 3 chicken breasts. The first thing I did was washed and dried the chicken breast. Then I set the cream cheese on the counter to get to room temperature. Once the cream cheese got to room temperature, I seasoned both sides of the chicken breast with salt, garlic, black pepper, and paprika. Don't go too heavy on the salt, but for the paprika and garlic, you can add however much you want. Once you're done seasoning your chicken breast, make sure to wash your hands to avoid cross-contamination. For the cream base of the cream cheese and spinach mixture, you'll need 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese and 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. The seasonings for this mixture include 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and optionally 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. For spinach, I used around 4 small handfuls. I slowed this part down in the video to show you guys about how much spinach I used. You can use more or less depending on how much you want. Once you're done making your mixture, you can preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you're done preheating your oven, cut a pocket into your chicken breast. The way I do it is I cut it almost all the way through, leaving it so that I can almost bend it all the way back. Once your chicken breasts are cut, begin stuffing them. You should add enough filling so that you can close the chicken breast a little bit. If you add too much or too little, just take some out of another chicken breast and even everything out. Once your chicken breasts are stuffed, use a baking sheet to bake your chicken breasts. I sprayed mine with Pam, and that's completely optional. And then bake for 25 to 30 minutes on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This should be your final product. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.